So hey guys, just a quick update on what's going on. So I dig some dirt outside and I put the trays on it, the cell trays. Now this is just to make it they grow healthier, because they can catch healthier roots from this dirt. So this is what's going on. Now these are the slicing tomatoes that I had planted. Those bust nicely. And these are the sweet peppers that I had showed you in the previous video. This didn't look so hot at all, but they're growing healthy all the same. So yes guys, this is what's going on. And then over here I have a next part dig out that I'm going to put some small tomatoes on. No, I haven't gone around to sow in that tray as yet, but I'm going to do it soon. So guys, this is what's going on with my nurseries. I'm gonna need to plant some more sweet pepper because this isn't gonna be enough. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sow it in the dirt as a nursery. So make something like this and then sow it in there. So guys, please stay tuned to what's going on my farm, and I'll see you in the next one.